Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will talk about modal verbs. Let me explain the sport box. A modal verb is a type of auxiliary helping verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Listen again. Why we use modal verbs, where we use, and how we use. A modal is a type of auxiliary or helping verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Okay, ji? So let's start the exercise. Fill in the blanks with may or may not. Write may if you want to give permission. Okay, may is used for permission. May is used for permission. And write may not if you do not want to give permission. If you want to give permission, so you will use may. If you don't want to give permission, you will use may not. Number A. She may eat many mangoes. He may not use my pencil. So in this sentence, you are not giving the permission. That is why I have used may not. You may read the book. Visitors may not feed the animals. Okay. Next is children may play in the ground. Hassan may go to the park. Alright. So may is used for giving permission and may not is used for if you don't want to give permission, then you will use may not. Okay. It's very simple. Okay. Now another exercise. Which of the following actions can you do? Borrow, paint, open, watch, wash. I may borrow. I may not paint. I may open. I may watch. I may wash. If you can do, you can use may. If you cannot do, you will say or you will use may not. Okay, it's very simple, very easy. Okay, what you have learned today, you have learned that modal is a type of auxiliary or helping verb and it is used to express ability, possibility, permission or obligation. If you want to give permission, then you will use may. If you do not want to give permission, you will use may not. Any action, anything that you can do, you will say I may. And if you cannot do, you will use may not. Okay. I hope now you have understood this lecture. Thank you so much for watching.